Hello, welcome to Dynamic Do-It-Yourself Diva video, and today I am noticing that here in Rite Aid they have a section that's called Dollar Buys. This is a great place to look to find things that you can use for your do-it-yourself things for only $1. Here's an ice cube tray, and it has silicone bottoms, so it makes it really easy to do different things like bath bombs or different things of that nature. We have little containers here. Here you get a set of 8 containers, storage boxes with little lids for $1. We got toothpicks. You always can use things like this. Microfiber cloths for $1. This is really nice quality. You can tell that it's substantial. So as I'm looking around, I'm seeing so many things. You got sponges, cloths. Oh, there's some face mask. But there's so many things that you can use for your do-it-yourself journey. Here we have little sponges. Got little hooks. Also, you have things like bleach. You have bleach. You have, you have different things like containers of cleaner. But you know what? If you're not going to use these in your house because you want to have a very good, clean house, you can empty these things out and just use the container. As I'm moving through, I see some more little storage containers, and in the do-it-yourself community, little bowls, containers, lids. Makes life so easy and so simple. And here we have some bags, and there's food stuff here. So I will strongly encourage you, if you are into DIY, check out your local Rite Aid if you're in the United States with your dog treats. But check out the aisle. Check out the dollar buy aisle. And I'm sure you will find something that can seriously help you with your do-it-yourself journey. So anyway, I hope this was helpful. Until next time.